Listen, guys, you know what I'm saying? I come on my channel, I talk about how to make money. I talk about different ways on how to increase your profits and how to grow your revenue, anything portfolio based when it comes to investments and things like that. And sometimes that's not even everything you need. It's like sometimes people, in different backgrounds, come from different situations. Everything ain't always easy, you know what I'm saying? And it may sound easy, you know what I'm saying, applying for jobs and outsourcing it, but some of you guys, you really in some situations, you know what I'm saying? You might have, debt. You might have multiple jobs you already juggling. You trying to find a time to even invest in, you know what I'm saying? Life can get really hectic. You could be going through a lot. And I'm more than just like somebody on YouTube who just like try to like sell you shit, bro. It's like I'm a normal person. I be out here making money. I be out here hustling and grinding and finding out ways. And I be going through my ups and downs too. You know what I'm saying? With my girl, I be going through things with family. I be going through all type of shit, bro. It's like you ain't the only one that just going through stuff. You know what I'm saying? And bro, I just feel like life is getting to the point where you can't even survive. Like minimum wage ain't increased. You gotta have 2-3 jobs just to live a decent life. It's like the same hustle you putting in to grind each and every day. You would think you trying to become a millionaire, a damn billionaire, and you just trying to keep a roof over your head for your kids, for your girl, for your moms, for your pops and shit. And you grinding and you grinding and you grinding. It's like you just don't get a break. Some people don't get vacations. Some people really be out here struggling. Like I came from sleeping in my car. I was homeless for the longest. You know what I'm saying? Like I ain't, bro, y'all look at my stuff and look at what I got, but people really don't know me. People don't know what I've been through and shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming to y'all one-on-one, like talking to you like I talk to my brother, talking to you like I talk to my sister, because it's I watch videos all the time of different people. They talk about how to make money, how to invest in things like that. But I realize it's deeper than just the strategies. People who be making those videos don't really know what people go through. You know what I'm saying? It's like, how can you really resonate and teach somebody something if you ain't never been in their shoes? You know what I'm saying? When I first became homeless, I live in Atlanta. The first thing I did, I was with my girl. She always stayed down with me. She always rocked with me. We drove to Vegas. We like, shit, we gonna be homeless. If we gonna go through it together, we might as well turn up and have fun. I drove straight to Vegas. You know what I'm saying? During that time, I wasn't just stagnant. I was learning about cybersecurity. I was learning about IT. I was taking my Security Plus certifications. I was learning about CyberArk and different tools that I need to be able to succeed in IT. Like, I really came from the mud. Like, I really grinded this shit out. Like, I really grinded this shit out, bro. And it's like some of y'all in the same situation now. I had to do Uber Eats. Like, that's the only way I was able to survive. And then coming to find out, my driving record was bad, so Uber Eats suspended my account. I couldn't even do Uber Eats no more. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't even do the one thing that was putting food on the table for me and my shorty, for me and my family. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, by the grace of God, bro, I was able to position myself into where now I'm in IT. Now I'm good at, identity access management. Now I'm good at engineering and doing automation, like automating softwares and things like that. I had to really like buckle down. I didn't go to college. You know what I'm saying? My resume was blank. I didn't have no experience in nothing. You know what I'm saying? And for anybody who in the same situation now, it's like, you got to grind, bro. It's not easy. Like, it's not getting no easier. Like I say, we got Trump in the office, and I'm not even into politics, but I see some of the things that he's doing that could affect the people. You know what I'm saying? We might be going into tariff wars and things like that. Not to get too political, but that's gonna be fluctuating our finances, because now we got price increasing. Eggs $300. We got our fruits and vegetables that we get 70% of our fruits and vegetables from is Mexico. and he's disrespecting Mexicans and things like. I ain't trying to get too political because I understand like it's ways you gotta go through the process to come into America and all this, but it's just like at the end of the day, people are getting affected. Americans day to day are getting affected. We need more money. Point blank, you need more money. That's why you watching this video. Hell, I wouldn't say I need more money, but more money, more security, right? But people out here are struggling, man. And the only way you're gonna be able to really get out the mud, bro, is if you put your head down. You might have to eliminate the females, fellas. You gotta eliminate the females for a little while, get into your bag. For all y'all ladies, you might have to, you know what I'm saying, get off social media for a while, get in your bag. Like, it ain't getting easier. You know what I'm saying? That's why I kind of made this channel in a way, like maybe that's the Christian in me, because I could have really kept this a secret, you know what I'm saying? Because people don't really do this. People don't really know about this. You know, there are such things as staffing companies and recruitment companies, but their business model is completely different than my business model. I flip jobs. I'm not no staffing company or recruitment company. I could turn it into a staffing company, but I'm not going to. I'm not trying to add on more work. I'm just trying to reinvest my money, right? So that's why I teach about applying for jobs and outsourcing the work, because it's a win-win situation. It's where you don't have to spend time and energy learning a new topic, a new subject, and then executing and going through the trials and tribulations and things like that. And you know, it's some gurus out here that don't know what they're talking about, or they're trying to scam you, just trying to like, you know, do things like that. And that's why I kind of created this channel, and I created the program I got, because if you say applying for a job is a scam, then you're a nutcase, because 9 times out of 10 you probably got a job yourself, right? So applying for a job is not a scam, and having somebody overseas like a virtual assistant mitigate your tasks is not a scam. So it's like, what I'm teaching you is logical, it makes sense, and I actually put it into work. So if it's working for me and I don't have to do too much, it's like maybe it'll work for you. You know, if you got the intelligence to be able to create a resume and to apply for jobs, you know, believe it or not, everybody can't do that. As crazy as that sounds, everybody can't do that. Everybody can't simply create a resume and just apply for a few jobs, you know, during their spare time until they get an interview, you know? And if you can't do that, then, I mean, this channel's not for you. But for those who are adequate enough and got that intelligence to apply for jobs and mitigate the tasks using virtual assistants, man, you're gonna be doing yourself a favor, because you don't have to do too much, and you can really run a bag up. You know what I'm saying? I'm not at the point where I can say, oh, hell yeah, I got $10 million, but so far, so fucking good. You know what I'm saying? This is like the beginning of my journey. Well, not really the beginning. I've been doing this for like about 1.5 years, but this is the beginning of my journey when it comes to recording my progress and teaching people on YouTube and things like that. Like, I'm only at job 7, and I'm not even gonna cap. Between like job 5 through 7, it really started to kind of become a job in a way, with like mitigating like my virtual assistants. I gotta like get better at creating a system to like really manage my virtual assistants. Like maybe I need like an operations manager to like manage my virtual assistants, but they still come to me. They ask questions. They still come to me. They talk about, you know, what's going on in a project that they're doing. Sometimes they even may need help on tasks, things like that. And that's kind of what I'm here for. Is like, at least I'm getting paid, you know, over 700 plus a year to just mitigate, you know, some virtual assistants. So I'm not complaining. You know, I'm gonna continue to try to get better at my craft, continue to update my program with new videos to create better systems to continue helping you guys. So again, hopefully this video resonated with some of you guys. Hopefully I was able to provide like some serious, like real value, like brother to brother, sister to sister, like neighbor to neighbor, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? White, black, Hispanic, bro, I ain't judging. I don't care what background you come from. We all humans and we all out here to survive, bro. So hopefully I was able to really give y'all that impactful statement and put y'all on y'all toes so y'all can run this fucking money up. All right, YouTube, that's all I got. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all in the next one. Oh, God.